First reading, 2 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 6 to 10. Now this I say, he who soweth sparingly, shall also reap sparingly, and he who soweth in blessings, shall also reap blessings. Every one as he hath determined in his heart, not with sadness, or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. And God is able to make all grace abound in you, that yet always, having all sufficiency in all things, may abound to every good work. As it is written, He hath dispersed abroad, He hath given to the poor, His justice remaineth forever. And he that ministereth seed to the sower, will both give you bread to eat, and will multiply your seed, and increase the growth of the fruits of your justice. Psalms chapter 112 verse 1 to 2, 5 to 6, 7 to 9. Blessed is the man that feareth the Lord, he shall delight exceedingly in his commandments. His seed shall be mighty upon earth, the generation of the righteous shall be blessed. Acceptable is the man that sheweth mercy and lendeth, he shall order his words with judgment. Because he shall not be moved forever. The just shall be in everlasting remembrance, he shall not hear the evil hearing. His heart is ready to hope in the Lord. His heart is strengthened, he shall not be moved until he look over his enemies. He hath distributed, he hath given to the poor, his justice remaineth forever and ever, his horn shall be exalted in glory. Gospel, John chapter 12 verse 24 to 26. Amen, amen I say to you, unless the grain of wheat falling into the ground die, itself remaineth alone. But if it die, it bringeth forth much fruit. He that loveth his life shall lose it, and he that hateth his life in this world, keepeth it unto life eternal. If any man minister to me, let him follow me, and where I am, there also shall my minister be. If any man minister to me, him will my Father honor.